So, number 3, ABC is a rhombus. ACF and DCE are straight line. Find angle ECF. So, ito yung hahanapin natin. Ito. So, given na yung value ng A, C, and D na 94 degree. 94 degree. So, since ABC is a rhombus, so angle ACD is yung 94 degree. In a rhombus, opposite angle are equal. So, anong opposite nito? Is yung A, B, and C. Yan yung opposite ng C, A, and D. So, A, B, C also A, B, C are also 94 is equal to 94 degree. It's because opposite angle are equal. So, meaning to say 94 degree din dito sa A, B, C. So, nahanap na natin yung A, B, C. Hanapan naman natin yung kasunod. Also, adjacent angle are supplementary. Meaning to say, they add up to 180 degree. So, paano yon? So, isosolve natin dito. Wait lang. Dito na, diba? B or BCD or angle BCD plus angle AD C is equal to 180 degree. So, isa-substitute lang natin, no? Si angle BCD plus ADC is, ito na siya, no? 94 degree. So, 94 degree is equal to 180 degree. So, next one is angle B, C, and D. So, 94. So, mag-a-add lang tayo dito ng negative 94 para maalis itong si 94 both side. Mag-add tayo dito ng negative 94 and mag-add tayo dito ng negative 94. So, dito, no? Is equal to, since 0 yung 94 minus 94, 0 is pwede na natin i-bring down yung equal. So, 180 minus 180 degree minus 94 or 94 degree is equal to 86 degree, no? So, therefore, or since ACF is a straight line, angle F, ito siya, ACF is straight line, and angle FC and A, and BCD are supplementary angles to ECF. Thus, yung angle ECF, no, is equal to 180 degree minus angle BCD minus angle BC or BCE. So, since dito si BCE is straight line, then C are ito si BCD and angle BCD and angle BCE are what do you call that? Are equal in rhombus CD equal to CB and CA, yan siya, si CA is bisector of angle BCD. Then ito siya, angle DCA, naubos na yung ink, is equal to 86 degree divided 2 kasi nga ba divided 2 kasi sabi dito CA is bisector of angle BCD, so 86 yung BCD natin, ito siya, and then divide natin siya into 2. So, the answer is 43. 43 degree. So, isa-substitute na natin yung angle ECF is equal to 180. Balik tayo dito. Minus BCD. Si BCD is 86 degree minus BCE. Si BCE is ito siya. What lang? BC or wait, is 43 Celsius, meaning to say and equal to 180 minus 86 minus 43 is equal to 51 degree. So the answer of this ABC is a rhombus, ACF and DCE are straight lines. Find angle ECF. So, nakuha natin kanina yung F and the answer is 51. The 51 degree. So, yan yung answer. 51. The measurement angle of ECF is equal to 51 degree. The next one is number 4. STUB is a square. Then find angle G. Ito yung hahanapin natin na angle G, or ito siya. Itong G na ito. So, STUB, since square siya, or quadrilateral, is 360 Celsius. Ito siya lahat. Meaning to say, all side, ito siya 1, 2, 3, and 4 is meron siyang 90 degrees. Kasi nga sabi doon kanina ni Sir that each or all side of square are consist of 90 degree. So babalik tayo dun sa given na hahanapin natin yung Z. So in square STUB or all angles is 90 degrees. Sabi ko, since the diagonal SB is bisects, so ganito siya. Angle, makita ba? Angle BSB an angle SBU is equal to 45 degree. So we are given na yung TSB is 19 Celsius. So given si 19 Celsius, no? So, TSB is equal to 19 Celsius, no? 19, ganito siya, 19 Celsius. Si 19 Celsius siya. Si measurement of angle TSB is equal to 19 degree. So, therefore, angle Z is equal to angle SBU is equal to 45 degree minus 19 degree is equal to 26 degree. Yes. So the answer of this is therefore the measurement angle of Z is equal to 26 degree. So 26 degree C G na hinahanap kasi nga dito is 45, dito is 45. Din ang sabi sa kanina. Si SB is by SB and si SBU is equal to 45. SBT and SBU is equal to 45. So the answer here is 26 degree. Dito sa tanong na number 4. So the number 5 is FZHI is parallelogram. JI is congruent to HI. Find angle F. So, ano nga ba yung tinatawag na congruent? Pag sinabi natin congruent is the same sa angle or yung sukat ng JI to JH. Meaning to say dito, si J and I and H and I is same sila ng sukat. Yun yung sinasabi na concurrent. Pwede din dito. Same sila ng sukat. Or, yes, yung sukat. So, ang hinahanap natin dito is find F. So, paano nga ba natin isosolve? Since FGHI is parallelogram, since yung F natin is or angle F natin is equal to 102 degree. So, yan siya. 102 degree. Oh, no. Para makita. Si F, 102 degree. And then, opposite angles is in a parallelogram are equal. So, si angle H are equal sa kay angle F. So, ito siya. Equal yung size dito. Equal and equal. Si F saka si H. Kung ano yung bilang ni F, kung gaano siya kahaba, and ganun din kahaba si H. Kasi nga, sabi, ito, parallelogram are equal. So, angle H is equal to angle F. So, they are equal to 102 degree. So, ito siya. No? Same sila. Dito and dito. Andihan. Also, si J and I is concurrent to HI. Concurrent means say same or equal. Ganyan siya. Equal to HI. Which means sum of angle ZIH is an isosceles triangle. So, isosceles triangle. Therefore, ganito sa, angle F is equal to angle HGNI. Si angle F daw is equal sa kay angle HGNI. So, means itong apat na ito is same sila ng angle. So, the sum of these, dito tayo. So, yes, ganyan. The sum of angle in JIH is 180 degree. So, angle H plus angle F na maliit, yan, si F na maliit, plus angle H, J, and I is equal to 180 degree. So, since yung F na maliit, is equal to angle of H, J, and I, so we can write this. So we can write this as 102 degree. So since same man sila ng value. So ano nga yung value ng H at saka F na malaki is 102. Then, yun. So, plus, ano nga yan? 2. Angle of F na maliit, then equal to 180 degree. So, iuna natin yung may letter na 2 angle of F is equal to 180 degree. Ito siya. Minus natin ito 102 or 102 is equal to 78 degree. So, since ito na siya, then, yung 2 is ibababa natin siya. So, angle of F na maliit is equal to, kunin natin ito, 78. Sabi nga kanina, concurrent yung H at saka FJ. J and I and H and I. So, i-divide natin into 2. So, ang sagot ay 2 divided by 87 divided by 2. It's equal to 39 degree. So, the answer of this is 39 degree. So, yun yung answer ng number 5. So, that's all. Thank you.